What's up guys, Harry here, known as Trade Sharp, and I'm going to bring you this quick video, an update about Bitcoin and ETH. I'm going to have a look at Ethereum, see what he's doing, and let's get into it. Should I run the intro? Hmm. Alright, let me run it. Just the end part for today. Let's get it. Right, we're back. And looking here quickly at the charts, we can see Bitcoin is crazy. It's on a huge parabolic run. There's not much technical analysis to do on an asset like this. I mean, it's just going straight up. And that's my projection. Trend is your friend, and it's going to continue. I mean, we broke out of this ascending channel here, very steep ascending channel. I haven't really seen, I didn't personally, oh man, all these drawings are gonna come. But anyways, we did break out of this ascending channel, but I don't really want to use such a steep ascending channel, but we did break out of it, and you can see huge reaction here, and now we're going up to that $35,000 level. Now that $35,000 level does have a very, very, very big area of resistance because it is the spot 618 on the Fibonacci. I'm not going to draw it for you guys because it's just more confusing, but we'll go ahead and put in 3,000, 35,000. And 35,000 level is a huge level for profit taking, and but I don't think that's going to be the dump, to be honest. If we do close a 24-hour above this with good volume signature as well, something similar to this candle, or something more decent than this, then yes, I do think it will be a pretty good move. And where's my volume? And yeah, so how do we know how fast this is going to trend? So if we close above this topside trilogy band today, which it looks like we will, I'm looking for us to come and hit that target there and possibly beyond. We'll have to see how it plays, but basically that's how you see the speed. Now, if we do close, and then the topside trilogy band will rise. If we close the next day above it, we're going to trend up, beyond 35,000 to, you know, I mean, the next Fibonacci target is close to the $40,000 range, which is insane to think of, guys. I mean, look how fast this is happening. And yeah, if we do close below the topside trilogy band, then I look for it to come back down to this base here. So you can see this wick here, which is coming in about 29,722. So I look for it to come there, and I do think it will have a bounce there. But if we do have one of these big corrections, which we can go down to the lower time frame, we can remove this Bollinger Band, and we can bring all of this back. If we do have if we do have one of these corrections where we do break below this area here, and we break below this area here, then I do think we will have quite the, if we start putting in lower highs, then I do think we will have, a pretty significant pullback all the way back down to 24,000. But I don't know if Bitcoin is ready yet, because look at this. Are you ready? Wow. I mean, so it's pretty strong, and trend is your friend. We are having a pullback here, early profit taking just before that level, because people know. So some big whales are pulling out some money now. It's pretty crazy to trade Bitcoin at this point. It's pretty difficult to trade Bitcoin at this point because it's just the moves are so insane. But essentially, we'll be having like these crazy pullbacks and stuff like that. Well, I'll leave you with that. With Bitcoin, there's not much to talk about it. It's just parabolic, and enjoy it. And there's not much TA you can do on it, to be honest. I mean, the last thing I have here is on the weekly. I mean, we can see here that it's exceeded my fan, so that is great. Let's see anything on the lower time frame. Ah, we did get the pullback right next to the top side there, so that's pretty interesting. I mean, what we could happen now on the lower time frames is that we could come down here, get sold into, and bounce right on this level here. We could do something like this, boom, and the thing is, this would be a good trade opportunity, but then realistically, you would want to put your stop loss something like this. I would not call that a bottom. Your stop loss would want to be here. Look at that risk to reward. It's not even a one risk to reward. So, it's a bit difficult at this point. The best time to trade is in ranges like this, because you can wait for a rebound, so something off like this. Then you can put your stop loss at the bottom of that range, Let's say your entry was on that candle there, your stop loss can be there, and then you have, well, I've drawn it the wrong way around. Great. Long position. So your entry was there, your stop loss would be, you can call out the wicks for safe and then target up there. Now you have a much better risk to reward. And yeah, let's quickly look at Ethereum. I will be updating. Ah, nice. We've wicked to this and now getting sold off. I will be. This is the wick of that 800 breakout. This is the wick. So I will be now in the Discord updating everyone about buy pictures because there's not much to really talk about for a whole video, and I'm not going to crowd the YouTube channel. So make sure you're subscribed there, and as well as the Telegram links in the description. Looking at this here, these are my targets. So our first resistance here, if we can close above this on a 4 hour with good momentum, good volume, you can see, and then I will look the next for 463. I do think maybe a bit earlier around this area, liquidation box we can pretty much draw, somewhere around in this area like this. I look for a pullback, but it seems we're having a small pullback at this resistance, and then if we break through this, the next target is 912. These are the targets for now. After 912, parabolic all-time high, but let's see what happens. We'll take it step by step, and yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'll leave you with that. Remember, guys, take care and trade sharp.